Video upgrade review. Today I'll be demonstrating how easy it is to upgrade your MacBook Pro. This happens to be a mid 2009 15-inch MacBook Pro, but the procedure is the same if you have a 13 or 17. I'll be demonstrating how to remove the RAM, replace the RAM, and also take out the internal hard drive. Now, the purpose to speed things up, I have already taken the screws out. So, to start with, flip your MacBook Pro upside down. You will need a set of jewellery screwdrivers. This is a very small mini Phillips. There are 10 screws in total. 4 at the back, 4 at the front, and 2 on the sides. These 3 here, the screws are slightly longer, but all the other screws from here are all short ones. So make a note which ones are long, okay? So like I said, I've taken the screws out just to speed things up. Probably take off. So as we can see, we have the internal components . Okay, what we have here are the gubbins of a MacBook Pro. We have the internal hard drive, you have the optical drive, you got your fan, which underneath that you have your CPU. This last bit, which looks like a circuit board, is your logic board. This is your RAM. There's 2 sticks available, or being used in this case. And this long big plastic bit is your battery. So you can see which components take up the space. So, upgrading RAM could not be as simple as this. Basically, 2 clicks. 1 and 2. And there you have it. I have removed 2 sticks of RAM. This particular model supports up to 8 gigs of RAM, but unofficially it can have up to 16 gigs of RAM. That's providing these sticks are 8 gig each. Putting the RAM in is just as simple and easy. Push, push down. Push in, slot in, click, done. Very simple, as you can clearly see. Now, upgrading your hard drive is just as simple. There's a little plastic bar along here which holds down the hard drive in place. 2 screws, same screwdriver. Unscrew. Lift off. Here's your hard drive. Basically disconnect, and that's your internal hard drive. There are 4 screws either side which need to be taken off and then put onto your new hard drive which you wish to replace. Please note that this is a hexagon sort of type screw, so you will need a special screwdriver basically to take this off. So very simple. This happens to be a solid state hard drive. Putting it in is just as easy as it was taking it out. Push in. As you can see, the reason why you've got these is because this sort of hole, so it sort of slots in like that. Slots in, push down. This holds it in. Screw. And there you go.